Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing and Facebook ad creatives. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your campaigns, this video will cover everything you need to create visually appealing and engaging ad creatives. So let's get started. Engaging Facebook ad creatives for affiliates. Discuss key guidelines for creating visually appealing and engaging ad creatives. Align ad creatives with campaign objectives and target audience. Use high-quality images, videos, or carousel ads. Clear messaging and strong call to action. Eye-catching visuals and consistent branding. To make your ads stand out, use high-quality images and captivating videos and interactive carousel ads. Ensure your images and videos are high-resolution and visually appealing. Use carousel ads to showcase multiple products or features. Keep your videos short, engaging, and to the point. What makes an ad creative truly compelling? Let's break it down. Clear and concise messaging, a strong call to action, eye-catching and relevant visuals, and consistent branding elements like colors, typography, and logos. Creating and testing different versions of your ad creatives is crucial. Develop multiple ad variations, run A/B tests to see which performs best, gather feedback from surveys and engagement metrics, and refine based on the results. Gathering feedback is crucial for improving your ad creatives. Use user surveys for direct input, engagement metrics like click-through rates, and A/B testing results to compare performance. Drafting a creative brief streamlines ad creation. Include campaign objectives, target audience, key messages, visual elements, and a clear call to action. Regularly reviewing and updating your ad creatives ensures they stay fresh and engaging. Schedule periodic reviews to analyze performance data and keep content relevant to your audience. User-generated content can boost engagement. Obtain customer content such as reviews and photos and incorporate it into your ad creatives. Improving your ad creatives can lead to higher engagement and conversion rates. Calculate potential increases using historical data and benchmarks. Review recent ad performance. Identify what worked well and areas for improvement to enhance future campaigns. Creating high-quality ad creatives requires resources. Estimate the time and budget for your campaign. Ensure your ad creative aligns with your branding. Consistent colors, typography, and tone of voice build trust with your audience. Set standards for your ad creatives to maintain consistency. Include guidelines on colors, typography, imagery, and tone of voice. Explore themes and concepts for your ad creatives. Choose ones that align with your campaign objectives and resonate with your audience. Optimize your ad creatives for various Facebook placements, including newsfeed, stories, and marketplace. Plan a brainstorming session to generate innovative ad ideas. Discuss trending themes, user pain points, and unique selling propositions. Efficiently manage your ad creatives. Use tools to store and categorize assets with ease. Hire professional designers or agencies for polished ad creatives. They bring expertise and fresh perspectives to your campaigns. Use storytelling to make your ads engaging and memorable. Connect with your audience through narratives. Leverage Facebook's dynamic creative ads to deliver personalized experiences. Automatically tailor ad content based on user preferences. Compare the cost efficiency of in-house versus outsourced ad creatives. Consider time, budget, and quality. Stay up to date with the latest Facebook ad trends. Incorporate these trends to keep your campaigns fresh and relevant. Carousel ads are great for showcasing multiple products. Learn how to set them up to create engaging ads. Before your ads go live, review them. Ensure visual appeal, messaging clarity, and brand alignment. Identify the content your audience engages with most. Use these insights to inform your ad strategies. Invest in design software, stock images, and video editing tools to create high-quality ad creatives. Prevent ad fatigue by refreshing your creatives. Plan a schedule to update visuals and messaging to maintain interest. Create ad creatives highlighting your products or services' unique selling points. Ensure your ad creatives are mobile responsive. Optimize for smaller screens for a seamless mobile experience. Test headlines, images, and calls to action to see what resonates with your audience. Use A/B testing to refine. And that's a wrap on creating engaging Facebook ad creatives for affiliate marketers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Check out these other videos to learn more about optimizing your Facebook ad campaigns.